Take a look at this decaf coffee I managed to make with my new Cecotec espresso machine. Until now, making a proper decaf espresso was almost impossible with the coffee machines I owned before. The machine uses a fully touch-sensitive control panel. If you'd like a full review showing what every button does and how to make each type of coffee, let me know in the comments. It has options for iced coffee, espresso, double espresso, long coffee, Americano, and more. Personally, I always use the double shot basket. I prefer a stronger extraction and then adjust the final volume to my taste. The machine comes with both a single and a double basket, but I almost always choose the double. I'm using this distribution tool to level the coffee grounds, although honestly, I've tested it without using it and the results were still excellent. One thing that surprised me is how well this machine handles decaf coffee. With my previous espresso machines, if I tamped the coffee too hard, the decaf simply wouldn't extract properly. This time I've given it a firm tamp so you can see the difference. Now we lock the portafilter into place. I always clean around the basket first to keep the machine as clean as possible. Let's grab a glass. There we go. And now I'll select the long coffee option. The nice thing is that you can stop the extraction whenever you want simply by pressing the button again. That allows you to customize the exact amount of coffee you prefer. If you're interested, I can make a longer video showing all the drink sizes and settings. I'm leaving this part in real time so you can see how quickly the machine heats up and starts brewing. Normally I use regular coffee beans, but when guests come over, decaf is usually the option everyone asks for. And now the extraction is about to begin. The machine performs a short pre-infusion cycle first, lightly wetting the coffee puck before the full extraction starts. And there it goes. Look at that flow. This particular coffee is specially roasted for espresso machines, which helps produce a richer crema than usual. The texture looks fantastic. You can see a beautiful layer of crema forming on top, something I could never consistently achieve with decaf coffee on my previous machines. That was always my biggest frustration. Regular coffee extracted beautifully, but decaf almost always struggled. With this machine, the extraction is smooth, the flow looks great, and the final result is much closer to what you'd expect from a quality espresso. The color looks rich, the crema is thick, and the cup already smells amazing. For anyone who drinks decaf regularly, you'll know how difficult it can be to get good results at home. Many machines either choke completely or produce a weak and watery coffee. So far, this Cecotec has been a pleasant surprise. I'm still testing different coffees, grind sizes, and settings, but the first impressions have been very positive. If you'd like to see how this machine prepares cappuccinos, iced coffees, milk drinks, or even the cold brew function, leave a comment below and I'll make those videos too. I can also show the different basket options, extraction settings, cleaning functions, and everything else this machine offers. And here's the final result. A proper decaf coffee with great crema, excellent color, and a much better extraction than I expected. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.